And we're rolling. We're here with director Justin Bullough, South Stokes High School, All-County Theater.
That's right.
Beauty and the Beast production, March 22nd through April 1st. Justin, tell us a little bit about the production this year.
It's our biggest one yet. We've had over 70 kids audition, and from those 70, we have about a little over 50 in the show. It's our biggest set. It's our biggest costumes. It's our biggest vocally. It's our biggest show yet, so it's going to be a great one.
Yeah, that's what we're hearing, that it's arguably the biggest theatrical show
Ever.
in Stokes County history.
I would say so.
What do you think about that?
I think it's a true statement, and if I'm wrong, then I'm wrong, but I think it is, and it's going to be good.
What about the students? They've put in a lot of hard work for this production.
A lot of hard work. I have some awesome students from four high schools. I have some early college students this year. They've put in hours and hours and hours and hours and hours of rehearsal, and we've worked in class on the set, and it's what we've been doing all semester so far.
Wonderful. And the costumes. Justin Hall looks amazing with the costumes, as always.
He's done an amazing job. He works at Twin City Stage in Winston. They've been so gracious to us. It's a great partnership there, and a lot of the costumes that you're going to see are handmade. All three of Belle's gowns are handmade. The Beast costume is handmade. The hair is hand done.
Wow.
A lot of time and effort has gone into just the costumes of this show.
Yeah, and SunTrust Foundation, a big sponsor this year.
Yes, thank you, SunTrust. A great grant from SunTrust. We couldn't have done it without them. We had to purchase a lot for this show, and they really helped out. And hopefully that's a partnership we can keep going, SunTrust.
Wonderful. Wonderful. March 22nd through April 1st. Justin,
right.
Any last thoughts? Anything before? I know you got rehearsal today. Shout out to anybody.
The whole place, the whole county. Y'all come out, see the show. Tickets are going. We've already pre-sold 340 tickets.
Wow.
So make sure you call and reserve your tickets. Box office hours 8:15 to 3:15, Monday through Friday, 994-1091. You can talk to Miss Tina Evans and she'll take care of you.
That's right. March 22nd, April 1st. Beauty and the Beast, folks. Be here. The biggest production in Stokes County theatrical history. Thanks, Justin.
Thank you.